Xnotes is a technology company. We're working on blockchain. We actually have created a blockchain for enterprise. So we're willing to bring blockchain to the enterprise world. And this is something that has nothing to do with all the blockchain technologies you may have heard about. Well, first of all, Xnotes is not a virtual currency. So this is already something that stands out from, from others. So instead, we're allowing any corporation to create their own digital assets on the network and using the same principle and the same security mechanism as any other blockchain technology. So we even improved the basic principles so that it's secure for the enterprise world. Xnotes has gained ground in the past 3 years. We started with 2 years of research and development, and then just after that, we went live last year in May. So we're kind of fresh. And since then, we're actually having a lot of success with enterprise and corporations, especially in a banking industry, and unexpectedly in other industries too. We have signed up with the car company, for example, which is very surprising and shows that Xnotes is so versatile that it can be adapted to any industry. And there's a lot more coming. First of all, we're all experts on the Xnotes technology, so that's one thing. Now we also do project management, like when it comes to developing applications, enterprise applications on the top of our blockchain. This is what we do. So we have Xnotes experts, like a consultant, functional consultants, like most of the team are from various industries like banking, automotive, for example, for what we do. And this is great because what we want to do is to understand what our customers want and what they can do with the blockchain technology. If they don't know yet, we are able to advise them as to the direction to go for. SuperCharger is super intensive. So I have to say it's more like, and the thing is, like for a company like ours, that we have revenues already. So we have a daily business to run as well. It's not so simple, it's not so easy. But the thing about SuperCharger is, like when we're talking about supercharging, is actually supercharging internally. Like you boost yourself, you actually create some kind of energy that is inside the company, and we're actually developing things internally more rapidly than we used to. Like instead of just catering for our regular customers. Now we have to go beyond that. We're actually innovating a lot more, since the program started than for the last year. We're actually preparing something we might think is jaw-dropping. Something to do with visual representation of blockchain. Nobody has done that before, and what we intend to do is to blow people's mind in showing how Xnotes technology work, and this is actually what we were preparing so far. And actually, on the top of what we have for our customers, this is great to show, because that pretty much the demo day deadline really pushes to our limits, and we actually have created something that we might not have created so fast without SuperCharger. FinTech is not really restricted to finance and neither technology, actually. So it's going beyond that, and we might find out that FinTech, as we call it, might create more exciting things to do in other areas, like and maybe create some other new industries. And we're actually already creating some new ways of collaboration, for example, using blockchain. And what we think is we might see something amazing this year, and even more amazing next year.